Well, in honor of Wimbledon, I've got my umbrella. It is a cloudy day, but it's definitely a great day to show you this flat in Primrose Hill. It is a private garden flat with its own separate entrance in a fantastic part of town. So let's get to it. Today I'm going to be showing you a spectacular garden flat that really challenges everything you might be thinking about a lower ground property. I absolutely love this home because they've done an exceptional job creating really nice high ceiling light, and there's so many places that are sources of light to make this 3-bedroom, 3-bath flat truly feel like a home. I'll start with the fact that it has its own separate entrance, so as you come in, you get that feel of having a home. And once you're in the living room space, it is truly incredible. It opens up and segues into the kitchen dining space, and then just beyond out into the garden. It is really the heart of the home, and it's going to be a great place to entertain and spend time. I really love the way the current owners have decorated this home, but truly, obviously, you would make it your own. You've got a beautiful showcase fireplace that works off of gas or ethanol, so you could adjust that and use that year-round. But really, I think it's the ceiling height that makes this home so incredible, and really how it flows. And so you can really have the space where you're going to spend the most time being elegant, upgraded, and having a really nice flow from inside to outside. I'm absolutely in love with this kitchen. I think that they have done a phenomenal job. While it's sleek and modern, it still is warm and friendly and really is in line with the rest of the space here. This island, let's just talk about that. You've got the quartz countertop to go with it, but also I love this wood edging, and it creates such a beautiful contrast, but really is set up so that you can spend hours cooking, preparing, and enjoying family and friends as they sit right across from you. Now, if you're a wine lover, you're going to absolutely love this feature of this incredible wine fridge to keep your collection of wines at different temperatures wherever you've collected them from, but ready for your enjoyment instantaneously. Beyond, you have everything else you need, whether it's the microwave or stove, hob, and oven. In addition, full-size full-size dishwasher. And then you've got this wonderful appliance garage. So I think these are always so creative because they really give you a way to store whatever might be your personal preferences for your small appliances. Really a beautiful space. I love the tone, the coloring, and we have the wonderful skylights, not just one, not two, but 3, to bring in so much natural light into the space. So again, if you're thinking lower ground and it's dark and I'm not sure, definitely not going to be the case here. Also, I should mention we have underfloor heating. So again, you can modify and adjust the temperature throughout room by room, but creating a wonderful ambiance and natural feel as you enjoy this home. We're going to show you the phenomenal garden, but again, as we talk about this wonderful lounge open plan space here, this nice area is definitely set up for a large dining room table. So again, you can entertain and enjoy your guests in this space here. And what I particularly like is that they've created 2 walls of windows, whereas normally this could have been blocked off and just been concrete or drywall. They've created it into a full wall window, creating extra natural light coming in to go with the 3 skylights. So you definitely are going to enjoy the maximum amount of light possible in this home. This is a south-facing garden as well, so you're going to be getting that afternoon sun and a beautiful segue into the garden. Now we are in one of our 3 bedrooms in this property, and again you continue to have the tall ceilings here as well as a beautiful bay window. I love that it's got the greenery and the trees out in front to look at, so creating a really wonderful bedroom space. Now we were actually debating, could this be your master bedroom or primary bedroom, and it absolutely could. It's got a lovely ensuite, and you could use this one or the other one facing into the back garden. So that's definitely a great choice to have. I also think it's worth featuring and mentioning that throughout this property, they have done such an incredible job creating great storage. You've got this wall here, this entire wall of wardrobe that opens up. It's got multiple storage options here, but you're going to see that throughout. But room by room, you're going to see how much storage space that you have, which is truly a dream in London. Now we are in the 3rd or smallest bedroom, which is perfect still as a bedroom or a guest room, or even as a home office. I also think, again, it's worth pointing out you've got storage against this wall here, as well as all along this corridor here. And at the end of it, you've got actually another deep storage wardrobe closet space here. And again, these things are absolutely priceless when living in London. You can put your garden materials or luggage or anything you need that might be seasonal. That would be a perfect place to do it. You've got recessed lights throughout the property, and you've got carpet in the bedrooms and hardwood flooring in the living room and communal area. In many properties, we wouldn't have space to get shots here in the hallway, but this speaks to, again, the wonderful flow of this home. And this hallway space here leads into your living room lounge space, which is great, but you've got a dedicated washer, dryer, storage, utility room, which I think is fantastic. And then, depending on how you feel, I absolutely love this feature wall. I'm going to call it a feature wall, which uses this wonderful wallpaper, which is a map of London. I think it's spectacular. And again, you'll find another skylight here in the hallway, letting in beautiful light, even as you come into the property. Now we are in what some might use as the primary bedroom, but again, a nice problem to have because you've got the beautiful other bedroom that has an ensuite looking out in the front of the house. But this bedroom is towards the back of the property, so it just gives you a completely different vantage point looking out into the gorgeous back garden. But again, here you too have wonderful wardrobe or storage space. You've got an entire wall dedicated to it, plenty of mirror space to look after yourself, and plenty of space for a large bed, king size, super king, along with a seating area or dressing space, whatever you need. Again, this home is absolute perfection for me because you've got so many spaces to utilize for you, your family, and your guests. Well, we can't always pick our weather, but this is life in London, and this is why actually having a garden flat is so incredible. This home, this truly is the gem of the home here. I love the landscaping that they've done here. You've got a mixture of different trees, different types. It is absolutely stunning. It creates the oasis you're looking for when you're living in central London. You're minutes from Primrose Hill, so for extended green space, but to have your own private space in London at this price point is truly spectacular. So if you want to know more about this home or any other property that we feature or talk about, make sure to reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. And also, liking really helps the channel because it helps tell YouTube we're creating great content and we can show it to more people. I hope you'll follow me on the other social medias as well, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.